Hello friends. My name is Hitesh. Today in this video you will find the best product of Herbalife, whose name is Ultimate Prostate Formula. 60 soft pills, which is made for men. How to use it. As soon as the stimulating ingredients are found from the cone. What is the price? All this information is going to be found in this video. Then definitely watch the video till the last. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, then friends must do it. Thank you. Products Overview. Ultimate Prostate Formula supports men's health with saw palmetto and antioxidant vitamin E. What is the vitamin E deficiency? Nerve and muscle damage that results in loss of feeling in the arms and legs, loss of body movement control, muscle weakness, and vision problems. Another sign of deficiency is a weakened immune system. One of the most loved and well-known skincare ingredients for almost a decade is vitamin E. One would think we know all there's to know, but research still continues. Let's find out today how to make the most of this powerful vitamin, aka essential antioxidant. It was discovered in the early 1920s from wheat germ oil and named tocopherol, meaning childbirth-bearing alcohol, since it was found to restore fertility in rats. Alcohol helping with childbirth. Don't worry, it's not the intoxicating kind. Vitamin E occurs naturally in 8 forms in plants as alpha, beta, gamma and delta configurations of tocopherol and tocotrienol. Let's just remember alpha tocopherol, the most active form in our skin. What is the key benefits? Formulated with saw palmetto that promotes healthy prostate and urinary function. Excellent source of the antioxidant vitamin E. How to usages: take 1 soft gel 2 times per day. Ultimate Prostate Formula. 60 price $35.55. Thanks friends. Watched this video of mine till the last. If you liked the video, do not forget to like. See you again tomorrow with new videos and new information. Bye bye friends.